Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel, where today you join me on my travels. Now, I don't know about you, but when I'm on holiday and I'm sat around the pool, I love nothing more than listening to some tunes. And that's why today I'm going to be unboxing and testing out this LG Xboom Go PL7 with Meridian. So, without further ado, let's crack on. Let's start off then by taking a look around the outside of the packaging, and on top, as we can see, we've got this handy carry handle. Then on top again we have LG Xboom Meridian. Moving to the front of the box, LG Xboom Go PL7 with Meridian, and we get a look at the speaker itself. Now, this being the PL7 is the largest of the range, but there is two other ones, which are the PL5 and the PL2. So a couple of options there if you feel that this one is too big. Moving around to the side, and says Bluetooth with Meridian, dual action bass, sound boost mode, all day battery life 24 hours, multi-colour lighting for party, wireless party link up to 100 units, Bluetooth surround with compatible LG TVs, water resistant IPX5, Xboom app for Android and iOS. Moving around to the other side then, and we've got another photograph there of the speaker, and you can see those lights either end. And then finally on the other end, again, another shot showing the speaker, and it shows the speaker moving in and out. So I think what we shall do next is get it out of the box. Right, it's a lovely thick box on this. It's going to be well protected, that's for sure. Right, lift the bit of polystyrene out. Let's see what's in there. Yeah, it feels a premium box. No, it's not going to make a difference to the speaker, but still gives it a nice experience. Cool, that has got some serious weight to it. My God. As you've probably seen as I'll put it down on the table then. Right, so before we actually get into looking at the speaker itself, let's have a look at what is in this little accessory pack. Is that USB Type-C cable, so that's going to be for charging it up. Moving on to the speaker itself now then, and let's take off this. Oh, that looks very nice. Let's go in a bit closer. So set this to one side. So we've got Xboom written on there. Oh, this feels really, really nice. That is a lovely feeling. It's like a rubberized plastic. That's the best way to describe it. That feels really, really nice in the hand. Not that you're probably going to be holding it all the time, but still, it's nice that it feels premium. It's not like cheap plastic or anything like that. Either end then, we've got our little subs there, I'm guessing they're meant to be, which will be going in and out with the lights on, which we'll test out in a minute. And we've got a grill just there. It's got a flat bottom to it, so it's not going to be rolling around. So if you put it like that, it's, you know, lovely and stable. Then looking at the top, battery indicator there, power, Bluetooth, plus and minus buttons, play, pause, and sound boost. And then we've got the Meridian logo once again. Let's have a look what's underneath this flap on the back then. So let's open this up. Oh, and we've got a few controls and inputs just there. So we've got multi, dual, and a button there for, I'm guessing this is for the lighting, and we've got a few LEDs there. That's going to be to indicate which of those are enabled. Reset, USB Type-C, auxiliary, and USB. Right, I think the next thing that we're going to do is turn this speaker on for the first time. So I'm going to simply press down on the power button and see what happens. There we go. So we got a noise there to confirm that it's turned on. And we've got a few things going on there. So we've got the power button lit up there. We've got Bluetooth flashing. Sound boost is lit up as well. Either end we've got those lights that are pulsating and changing colour. They look very nice indeed. Right, so I've got my partner's phone to hand now, and I'm going to simply turn on the Bluetooth on that. And yeah, at the bottom of the list there, available devices, LG PL7. Can I click on that? Right, now it's come up Bluetooth pairing request, pair with LG PL7. So I'm going to press OK. And there we go, we are all paired up. Now the lights have gone to a solid green colour. I'm guessing that's to confirm that it was all good to go. So, right, I've got some music lined up and ready to go, but I've just quickly downloaded the LG speaker app. It's really handy. It's got a few options on here. So we've got ones for like Bluetooth. Then we've got ones there for the sound effects. So we've got standard and the sound boost. Then ones for the lighting. So you can change this up. You can customize it if you wish to whatever color you want. Have it slow, moderate, fast, how it changes through those colors. I'm going to put it back to just party, how it came out of the box. And then some settings just there as well. So what I think we'll do now is fire up these tunes. Now I've just got this on the standard sound setting at the moment. And here we go. And already that is sounding really good. Let's wait for the beat to come a little bit of bass. Yeah, real nice deep bass on that. That sounds really, really good, to be fair. Better than I thought it would. Oh, it's really deep. And you've got to remember, you know, we are outdoors at the moment. So this isn't like a little room that it's trying to fill. Yeah, that sounds really, really good. I tell you what, I'm going to hit the boost button. Blimey. Well, that's pumped up now. Yeah, that sounds really, really good. Let me step back over here a bit. I don't know how this comes across on camera. Now this is, you just turn it down a bit. Just no copyright sounds off YouTube, so it's not going to be the best quality audio. Obviously I can't show whatever or demonstrate whatever music I want, because otherwise I'll probably get a copyright claim against me. But let's just move it out into a bit more of an open area. See those lights going there? And it's going actually with the beat. Put it down there. And that's not at full blast either. And that is surprising how loud that sounds. And the way that it's still able to put the bass out in such an open area. Yeah, that is really, really impressive. Gets a thumbs up from me. I would definitely recommend this speaker. Without a shadow of a doubt, I would recommend that. So let's just wait for the next song to come in. And we'll turn up the volume a little bit more. Blimey, that's shocking how loud that is. Outside, you know, this isn't some big club speaker or anything, this is a little portable speaker. I've moved back over a bit so you can see I'm some distance away. Amazing. Yeah, I definitely recommend this to anyone. So I think that is worth every penny. And it's going to sound even better inside, but you know, it's a travel speaker and a lot of people will probably use these out and about. So if you do want to buy one of these speakers and you're liking what you hear, then I'll be putting a link to these in my Amazon affiliate page, which will be in the description, where you can go and pick one up, and you'll be supporting the channel at the same time, because I get given a small percentage of every sale by Amazon. Costs you not a penny more. So if you appreciate the video, I get something back for it. Like I say, not a penny more comes out of your pocket, and it's all through Amazon, all legitimate and that, so go and hit that up. Well, there you have it then, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing of this LG PL7 speaker, and if you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then think about subscribing for more of the same in the future. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.